Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video, and for my returning, welcome back guys. So in today's video we are making mutton white pilau, which is so delicious, easy to prepare. So in this bowl I already have my 500 gram of mutton, which I already washed. So we are adding in here 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, a teaspoon of chopped green chili, and I'm gonna add also a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to mix that together. Don't forget to add salt guys. I almost forget to add salt, so I add a teaspoon of salt and I'm mixing one more time. We're going to marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour if you have time. And make sure the meat you keep it in the fridge guys, not outside. I like to soak my rice before cooking about 15 to 20 minutes, but I wash first about 2 to 3 times. Okay guys, so let's start with our cooking process. In the pressure cooker I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add 2 anise seeds, which I'm going to break it in small pieces. As you can see, you don't need to break it, this is my stupidness. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm adding bay leaves. Now I'm gonna add cinnamon sticks, about 3 small pieces, and cloves, about 4, green cardamom seeds, dry chili 3. This is optional, but I love the smell of dry chili. It really gives another taste which I love. So I just fry that for a minute and I'm adding the meat. I'm going to fry the meat in high flame for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's after 10 minutes now and we're going to add water. It's 8 cups of water and I used the same cup which I used to measure the rice. Yeah, so now I'm going to just cover the pressure cooker and wait until the whistle start whistling. And the time the whistle start whistling, you have to check time and cook your meat for about 15 minutes only from the time the whistle, what I'm putting now, starting chick 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 chick. Yeah guys, so after 15 minutes just remove the whistle and wait until the steam gets finished before you open your pressure cooker. Yeah, so I'm opening now. The meat is soft and tender. Now I'm going to just strain the water. Yeah, I'm gonna strain it the water and set aside. Now in other pot again, bring to the flame and add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 small pieces cinnamon sticks, green cardamom seed, just 3 to 4, 3 cloves. Yeah, and this is a black cardamom seed, just 1. We have all the dry spice flavors in the meat. Yeah, so now after frying just maybe for 30 seconds in hot oil. Those spices, add onion. We're going to fry the onion until it's soft, don't have to change color. After the onion is, after a few minutes, 1 minute of frying onion, we're going to add ginger and garlic paste, about 1 teaspoon. We're going to fry that for 2 minutes. Yeah, and then I'm adding a half teaspoon of cumin powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm going to cook that for a minute again. So now we're gonna add 6 green chilies, which I cut in two pieces, and then I'm adding the meat which we boiled. Yeah, so the spices I won't add everything, guys. I'll just add few, and we can throw this because we already have all the flavors of the spices in that water which we strain it, so you don't have to like throw everything here. Yeah, so I'm frying meat for about 10 minutes in high flame, guys. Okay, it's after 10 minutes. As you can see, guys, the meat is like, it has that brownish color. It's well fried. So adding potato, which is optional. If you want your palau with potato, you can add potato. If not, you don't need to add potatoes. Okay, now we are adding the water which we strained from the meat. We are looking for 8 cups of water. Yeah, so the water which we strained from the meat, it didn't give us like 8 cups. It came out like 5.5. So I'm using tap water just to complete total 8 cups of water. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to just cover and wait to boil. Okay, guys, normally when I cook this rice, in 3 cups of rice I add like 6 to 7 cups of water, but today I add extra because of the potatoes. If it was no potato, I would have added 6 to 7 cups of water. So I let it boil nicely, the pot, about 5 to 10 minutes before adding rice. Okay, guys, because I wanted the potato to be cooked also. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I add the rice already, and I just give a stir, and I'm going to cover and let it cook until the water is like, so the way you guys said there, it's not completely dry, it still have a little bit of water. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to slow the flame and cover and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The reason why you don't have to wait until the water is completely dry, it's because your rice is gonna burn down, so you have to put on steam when it's just a little bit of water left. Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. Okay, guys, it's after 15 minutes and our rice is done. Look the steam, guys, look that steam. So yeah, I'll just open, and the water is completely dry now. It's completely dry. This was so yummy, guys. It was so delicious. Anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to smash the like button, share as well, and of course I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.